The starting chain must be a multiple of 8 plus 4, and for my sample I start with 36 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 36 chains, and for my first row, into the first chain from the hook I will work 3 trebles. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, and into this chain I work 3 trebles. 1, 2, and one more, 3. Next I skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I work a single crochet. Again I skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I will work 4 trebles, 1 chain and 4 trebles again. So first I work 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I make 1 chain, and into the same stitch, into the same chain, I work 4 more trebles. So this is gonna be my shell. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is my big shell, 4 trebles, 1 chain, 4 trebles, and all of them are worked into the same chain. And look what happened here, because so many stitches were worked here, this chain stretched and the next chain became quite small and difficult to see. But now I'm going to skip 3 chains, and I really need to count that chain that is difficult to see too. So 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I work a single crochet. This is how the first row is gonna go. It's gonna be a row of these big shells. So I'll show it one more time. I skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I work 4 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1 chain, and into the same chain I work 4 more trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I have this big shell again. I skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I make a single crochet. So I'll see you at the end of this row. Let me show you how to finish this row. Here I made the last big shell, then skip 3 chains and single crochet. And over here I have 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip 3 chains, and into the last one I work 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the first row, so it started with half a shell and it ended with half a shell. I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain, and into this very first stitch, this is first treble, I work a single crochet. Next, I'll be making the same shell, but I will be working it into the single crochet right here, but I will be making it only into the back loop. So again, here is my single crochet. Here are the 2 loops on the top, and I will insert the hook only under the back loop. And I work the same kind of shell again. So first 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1 chain, and again into the same stitch 4 more trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The same kind of shell. And now into this chain 1 space of this next shell, I work a single crochet. So look what I have here. Now the pattern repeats. Over here is my next single crochet, and inserting the hook under the back loop only, I work the same kind of shell. 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 chain and 4 more trebles, and that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting this row. And here I am at the end of this row, and I finish it with a single crochet into the top chain of the turning 4 chains. And in this row I have full shells, I don't have half shells. I turn my work and I start the next row with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this first single crochet, inserting the hook under both loops, I work 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. So this is my first half shell. This is the half shell at the beginning of the row, just the same one as I had over here in the first row. Now into the next chain 1 space of the next shell, I work a single crochet. Now I will be working the next shell. Here is the single crochet, and inserting the hook under the back loop only, I work a shell. So it's 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1 chain and 4 more trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And into the next chain 1 space, I work a single crochet. And that's how this row gonna go. And I finished this row with a half shell, which I work into the last single crochet under both loops. So it's just gonna be 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is what I have. And now the pattern begins to repeat again. All you need to do is to repeat rows 2 and 3. And you will get a beautiful textured fabric that is perfect for baby blankets or some other projects of your choice.